My name is Steve Lees, and I live in El Cajon, the Fletcher Hills area, and I've lived here for 35 years. When we moved here 35 years ago, the prices were quite a bit lower to buy a house than they are now, substantially different. So were electric prices. We used to be able to pay the electric bill and not really think much about it until it started to rise to over $1,000 a month. There's only two of us that live here, and $1,000 a month for people who don't use a lot of electricity was exorbitant. We had to do something fast. I chose SolarTech because various members of my family had amazing results with them. My brother, my sister, my daughter, and my son, all who live throughout San Diego County, have used SolarTech. We ended up saving over $1,000 a month on average. With that $1,000 a month, we had a lot of discretionary things that we were able to do. And the first thing I did was go out and buy a brand new Jeep Cherokee. Love this car, always wanted it, and I wanted a brand new one with all the fixings, and I got it. Best part is, it's only a fraction of what I'm saving every month. So I got a lot more I can do now. We are running our air conditioner more. When it was hot before, we used to try to keep everything off from 4 o'clock till 9 o'clock in the afternoon because the bills were so high. Now we run it all night. If it's hot, that thing stays on. The heater comes on, the air conditioner comes on, whatever we want comes on, and our bill said pay nothing. I am so happy with the experience with SolarTech. I want to share it with anyone. Anyone who wants to talk to anybody, give me a call. I'll be glad to tell you the whole story.